trying to go. All of my change was painted on you. And all the times that maybe it's hard, longer and we made it hard to. And I wanna talk to you later. What we used to be, sleeping home at the picture. Tell you next to me, say this to me is baby. Leave to this time, no time else fix it all up. Reaching for now, these things like that. Turn out the lights, I'm paralyzed. We're stuck in that time when we call to love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of all trying to grow. Oh, the change I it's on you. We're on the gone, baby, sorrow. We're on the hands we made for two. If happy after I turned it exchange, that was to be holding you like this. And all fairy tears and full of shit. What the fucking love song can be sick. Till back on tomorrow, 'cause I'm all gone yesterday. Gave you my love tomorrow, you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I know it's that you can. I don't want to say people, but all of my bridges burn down. We stay my night, you turn out the lights now. I'm paralyzed, still stalking that time where we caught in love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of trying to go. All of the change I did, it's on you. We're on baby, it's tomorrow. We're on the dance we made for two. If happy ever after did exist, now we still be holding you like this. Almost fairy tales and full of shit. One more fucking love song, how we sing. 欢迎乔太社长刘荣瑞。
Every house spending on spotty well, stick around, wondering what to do, can't ever down. Back there from the bottom, now when you sing it started. Look like I was the push from the bottom. Tell me I chase it, so I'm up on what you call it. True the folks in my numbers, you never forgot it. Know my name, all my shit, and then I bought it. Search for the shade, couldn't compare. Had a really good game, but you're making all that shout. So they talk about when you sing at the top. Hope you could have sold was sad, stay so full. Pen pulled out, that lane, outdoors. Please I go away, go what you was looking for. That's me, who wants who can't go and take a little piece of shit.